Hello students, welcome to the next session. Today we are discussing about the levels of management. If we're talking about the organization, we can say the organization is divided into three categories or three levels of management. Top level management, middle level management and the lower level management. These three levels of management is very important and performing very important functions of management in the organization. Let's discuss one by one what type of functions they are performing and what are the role they are playing in the organization. See, in this particular topic, in a board examination, they will ask you case studies type questions. So that will be discussed in later after the end of the chapter. But first, understand the levels of management. The first one is top level management. The first one is top level management. So top level management are consist of these following positions: chairman, chief executive officer, chief operating officer, president, vice president, managing directors and general managers. So these are the persons who are performing the top level of, or they are the consist of the top level of management. This team is responsible for the survival and the setting objective of the organization. So let's discuss what type of functions they are performing. They integrate the diverse elements and coordinate the activities of the different department. मीन्स बेसिकली इनका काम क्या है कि बिजनेस एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर जो भी डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स है उनके वर्क को कोऑर्डिनेट करके जो कॉमन गोल है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का उसको अचीव किया जाए. See, in organization, there are various departments: human resource department, marketing department, production department, and there is also sales department. Okay, so जो टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट है वो क्या करती है, इन सभी डिपार्टमेंट्स का जो वर्क है उसको कोऑर्डिनेट करके जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का गोल है उसको अचीव करती है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज बिकॉज उसका रीजन क्या है, लाइक फॉर how they are performing, how they coordinate these activities. Like for example, they setting the goal कि भाई हमें इस साल है वो 10,000 यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस करना है. लास्ट ईयर हमने 8,000 यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस किए थे. दिस ईयर वी हैव टू प्रोड्यूस 10,000 यूनिट्स. बट दे हैव टू एनालाइज कि भाई 10,000 यूनिट प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए वी हैव इनफ रिसोर्सेस और नॉट. ठीक है, what they are doing, they formulating the overall organizational goal to. देखो, कोई भी कंपनी है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी, उसने डिसाइड किया कि भाई मुझे 10,000 गुड्स बेचने हैं. तो ये 10,000 गुड्स बेचने के लिए सबसे पहली रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है कि भाई हमारे पास क्या 10,000 के गुड्स प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट के पास प्रॉपर रिसोर्सेस है कि नहीं है. ठीक है, क्या सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट जो है वो 10,000 के ऑर्डर्स लेके आ सकती है कि नहीं लेके आ सकती है. ठीक है, तो ये काम कौन करता है, टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट. दे ड्राफ्ट वेरियस प्लान्स एंड पॉलिसीज. ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है भाई, जितनी भी प्लानिंग होती है वो कौन करता है, टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट. उनकी पॉलिसीज जो होती हैं, जो भी डिसाइड होती है वो कौन करता है, टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट. दे वर्क टू द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सर्वाइवल ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मीन्स दे आर एबल टू सर्वाइव इन द मार्केट. Taking responsibilities of all activities, whatever the activities are incurring or whatever the activities are happening in organization, they all take the responsibility by the top level management. The top level management is complex and stressful, demanding long hours and commitment. See, we already studied that कि management is a continuous process, problem solving process. So whenever the problem is arise, they have to analyze that problem and find out the solution. अगर ये डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कि भाई 10,000 यूनिट बेचना है और सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट ने बोल दिया 10,000 यूनिट बेचना है, सो नाउ दे हैव टू वर्क टू अरेंज फाइनेंस एज वेल एज हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस. सो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि काफी इसमें थिंकिंग कैपेबिलिटी चाहिए, काफी इसमें स्ट्रेसफुल जॉब रहती है और इसमें क्या है कि आपको काफी टाइम देना पड़ता है उन सब के सॉल्यूशंस एंड कमिटमेंट को कमिटमेंट करने के लिए. सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट ने बोल दिया पर प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट बोल रहा है कि नहीं हम 9,000 तक तो इजीली कर लेंगे पर 10,000 नहीं होगा, तो ये प्रॉब्लमेटिक है। तो उस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन क्या है? क्या हमें मशीन खरीदनी है? क्या हमें लेबर फोर्स चाहिए? ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट. The next one is the middle level management. It is they are generally, we can say, the divisional head. ठीक है, production manager, marketing manager, finance manager. So they all are the divisional head, and they are also a link between top and the lower level manager. Means whatever the policy is formed by the top level management, their work is to implement it at the lower level. So the middle level management is responsible for the implementing and the controlling plans. See, plans they are implementing, like अगर हम लोगों ने कुछ प्लान किया है एक साल के अंदर हमें इस टारगेट को कंप्लीट करना है, क्या 10,000 यूनिट्स को, तो हम इस 10,000 यूनिट को एक साल के टाइम पीरियड में फ्रेम नहीं करेंगे, हम उसको किस में फ्रेम कर लेंगे? मंथली, क्वार्टरली, वीकली. तो अब हमने जो वीकली टारगेट अचीव किया, तो कंट्रोलिंग के अंदर क्या आता है कि यू आर चेकिंग कि भाई जो वीकली हमने प्लान किया है वो हमारा टारगेट अचीव हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, मंथली हमने प्लान किया था वो हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, क्वार्टरली हमने प्लान किया था वो हुआ कि नहीं हुआ अचीव. सो दे इम्प्लीमेंट द प्लान एंड दे चेक द प्लान की वेदर इट इज गोइंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लान और नॉट. एंड स्ट्रेटेजीज टू डेवलप बाय द टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट, वॉट एवर द स्ट्रेटेजी दे हैव अडॉप्टेड दैट are going according to the plan or not. So what are the main tasks they are performing? The first one is the departmental objective. This middle level management is responsible for their departmental objective which is set by the top level management. They also ensure that every department have the necessary persons or the requirement of any person. If there is any requirement of a person, they make sure that person should be recruited and transferred to that department. Like finance department ने बोला कि हमें एक क्लर्क की ज़रूरत है, तो इनका HR डिपार्टमेंट को उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट भेजी. ठीक है, तो HR डिपार्टमेंट का काम क्या है कि एक क्लर्क को सेलेक्ट करे और वहाँ पे अपॉइंट करे. असाइनमेंट ऑफ नेसेसरी ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स द पर्सन्स, मोटिवेट देम टू अचीव द डिजायर ऑब्जेक्टिव. मीन्स लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट को मोटिवेट करना और ताकि वो डिजायर ऑब्जेक्टिव को अचीव करें. कम्युनिकेशन, दे ऑल्सो हेल्प, दे टेक द ऑर्डर्स फ्रॉम द टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट एंड forward it to that orders to the lower level management, and any suggestion is received from the lower level management or any problem is received from the lower level management, their work is to forward to the top level management. Coordination, they develop an effective supportive system and coordination in other department. Every department should coordinate with each other. अगर coordination नहीं होगा so organization cannot be survive. The next one is the supervisory and the operational manager. They are the lower manager also. So supervisory and operational management is a secondary name. So you have to remember. So they play very important role. Why they play very important role? Because they are directly interacting with the actual workforce. They are interacting with the actual workforce means जो workforce work कर रहा है, जिसको काम करना है, जिसको output देना है, the persons who are giving the output, they are dealing with those people. ठीक है, so their effort, they put their effort towards the quality of output, wastage minimized and safety standards are maintained. So ये तीन चीजें जो हैं वो lower level management ध्यान में रखता है. ठीक है, they get the orders from the top level management and whatever the orders they are getting from the division, from the middle level management, according to their department, they have to maintain. Let's discuss one by one each function of the lower level management. They act link between the middle level management and the workforce. Supervise the task of the workers. They actually supervise the task of the workers, means they are completing the target on the time or not. Ensure the tasks are carried out as per the plan and the policies, means whatever the plan the organization has set up or whatever the plan they have made, they are able to complete those plans and target on the time. And the policies, as per the policies, maintain quality of output. जो output है उसकी quality भी तो maintain होनी चाहिए. ऐसा थोड़ी कि हमें ज़्यादा काम करना है, we are increasing the production, we ignoring the quality. नहीं, you have to also maintain the quality of production. Minimize the wastage, that is most important thing for any organization. See, जितना ज़्यादा मिनिमाइज होगा वेस्टेज जितना ज़्यादा मिनिमाइज होगा, प्रोडक्शन की एफिशिएंसी उतनी ज़्यादा इंक्रीज होगी. सो दे मेक श्योर कि whatever the wastages are done by the workers, that should be minimum, and they provide sufficient guidance and direction to the workers. To minimize this wastage, they have to provide the sufficient guidance and the direction to the workers. They supervise the work of the workers, maintain discipline among the workers, time पे आना, uniform में आना, that all type of disciplines they are maintaining, and they adopt the sufficient safety measures, and they also check कि whether the workers are following the safety measures or not. Like for example, safety shoes आपके organization में manufacturing industries में बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है, plus helmet वो sufficient है, government rule है, so they have to check कि whether they are following or not, and provide the training programs to the workplace. Means workers को more efficient and effective बनाने के लिए, to make them workers more efficient and effective, they arrange the training program so that the workers can helps in achieving goals of the overall organization. So that is the functions of levels of management, and the functions are performed by them. This is the case studies. You can see and read this question and identified which type of levels of management are there. Kindly pause the video and read this question, and afterward answer that. When you write the answer, then move forward. So this is the answer: the top level management, middle level management, and lower level management. I also have made the bold those letters which are important to identify, like here the communicate the orders, decision downward, and carries the suggestion problem upwards. So ये चीज़ ध्यान रखिएगा. And thank you for today's. Have a nice day.